for education right now. We're here at Santoro's Pizza. I know I'm not doing one bite ever knows a rule. Look at this awesome pizza. So if you want to know more about this amazing pizza, you got to check it out at Fun Tampa. But we're doing education and it has to do pizza. You ready? So a lot of times you'll see highest and best offer by Sunday at 8:30. Don't wait. If you're interested in the house, go look at it the day it comes on the market, put an offer in right away. You're becoming the fresh. For me as a listing agent, when someone puts an offer right away in, they're in the house right away, I'm like, they're a serious buyer. That's a fresh offer. Don't let your pizza go stale, right? Especially don't wait after. God knows how many times people be like, can I still submit an offer the next day? I'm like, it was highest and best by Sunday, 8:30. Nobody likes stale pizza unless we were in college. Don't make your offer stale. Always be the first person in the door. When you're in it first, you make the offer right away. You show that you're serious. It's like a delicious slice of pizza over here. Remember, if you want to check out this amazing slice, check it out. Fun Tampa for all your food and fun. I'm Karen for your real estate education.